Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the OBSBot or OBSBot Tiny 2 and also their little tiny remote control as well. These were very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer, no money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing with you my opinion after using this product so that you can make an informed buying decision. So without further ado, let's get on with the reviews. This is the OBSBot or OBSBot Tiny Smart Remote Controller, and this is the new version, so we couldn't call this the version 2. Comes supplied in this neat little box here, and it says here we've got a USB receiver, a user manual, and of course the Tiny Smart Remote Controller. Inside the box we get the instructions. It's going to guide us through getting everything up and running. We also get a USB receiver, and that's hidden away in the battery compartment. It takes two AAA batteries. They are not included with the remote control, so you have to purchase those separately. Now this remote control is a little bit different to what you've normally been used to seeing. We've got a power on off button. We've got some presets here as well. We've got a four-way rocker and sort of an OK button in the middle. We've got a zoom control. That's a clue to what this is going to actually control. We've got track, close-up and hand features as well, and some others down here. So we've got like a page function. And what this is going to control is OBSBot's Tiny 2 4K Smart AI web camera. So if you've got one of their web cameras, in particular the latest version, this will allow you to control it, so you can do things like tracking, do close-ups, zooming in and out. Such a fantastic little remote control. If you're presenting something to your viewers or your audience on a video conference, or perhaps you're doing a live stream and you want to actually zoom in on something or to track an object, then this is going to allow you to do that very discreetly and very professionally. It's a great little product and it works extremely well. This is from OBSBot or OBSBot, and you can see on the front here it says 4K, and it looks like a really cool looking web camera, and indeed it is their very latest OBSBot Tiny 2. This looks absolutely superb. So it's a 4K AI powered web camera, and inside the box you get everything you need to get up and running. Let's run through what we get inside the box and I'll let you know how this performs. So we do get a USB-C to USB-A adapter inside this little bag. We also get a very nice carry case. This is going to accommodate not only the camera but also the cable and accessories as well. Very, very high quality case included. We also get the connection cable, USB-C on both ends, and of course you can adapt that to USB-A with the included adapter. We also get some paperwork inside this cardboard envelope, and this is going to guide us through how to get everything up and running and how to get the most out of our AI camera. And it does things like dynamic zoom, tracking, so it does human tracking, hand tracking, whiteboard mode, desk mode. There are so many features inside this camera. It is a really professional piece of kit. There's also some warranty information included as well. We get this sort of optional mounting bracket, very nicely engineered, and this is going to allow us to position the web camera on perhaps the back of a monitor or laptop, for example. So really nicely engineered. This is superb. I love the quality and the attention to detail on this. Look at how thin this back panel is. Very, very nicely done. Really cool little mount. And then of course we get the star of the show, which is the camera itself. And you can see that this camera is on its own gimbal. It also rotates, and it's also got, if we just turn over to the back, some little connectors on the bottom and also a tripod mount as well, so we can mount this onto a tripod. And the reason this excels far and beyond what normal web cameras deliver are on quite a lot of fronts. First of all, we've got the actual movement of this. So the fact it can rotate and track an object, for example, in pretty much all axis is a really good feature. So if you're moving around within the frame, this is going to track you. It's also got things like being able to zoom in and focus on an object that you're holding up, for example. Very, very cool. So it's got sort of object tracking, human tracking, plenty of AI features included. Even the whiteboard feature, where it will sort of focus into a whiteboard that you're writing on and allow you to present information in a very engaging way. In addition to that, we've got superb optics. The optics inside this camera are top notch. It delivers crystal clear, very, very sharp 4K video footage on your live streams and web conferences that just looks stunning. It far excels what I would have expected a web camera to be able to deliver, and that's in thanks to the optics and obviously the internal circuitry and the sensor inside. It's packed full of features, the build quality is absolutely superb, and the video quality it produces is really second to none. I think the manufacturer have done a fantastic job on this. If you want to look professional on camera and have all of these added AI features included, then this should definitely be on your shortlist. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit that like button. If you want to purchase either of these products or indeed both for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. I want to thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.